Hi everyone, this is Lady T here. Today I am participating in an open invite collaboration. And this collaboration is with the Diva Dynasties. We are doing a crystal clear tablescape 2020. I am so excited to share this with you, and I just want to mention those that are the host of this tablescape. And we will start with the fabulous Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Our co-hosts are Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living and Geraldine from Diva Decorating. Miss Alberta from Mysterious Alberta. And Cynthia from Cynthia's She's So Blessed. And the highlights of this tablescape is that we are to use a crystal table decor, and it must be transparent. It also includes floral any color, and also have some transparent fun. I just want to say thank you so much to the host of this tablescape. I really had a good time gathering and creating this tablescape. I really enjoy doing tablescapes, and I appreciate the fact that you allow us to participate in your collaboration. It is a lot of fun, and I look forward to doing these. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. So guys, after watching this video, go over and check out the host and the co-host of this video. The links will be in the description box below. And don't forget to watch the playlist. Have an awesome day, everybody. God bless. just want to say thank you to my faithful followers. I thank you for your support, and I really, really appreciate it. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you happen to be new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, and most importantly, hit the notification button so that you may be able to see all that I upload. Don't forget to hit that notification button bell twice. Thanks again. Have a great day.